Hi, this is Jim Wyckoff with your weekly 5M Publishing Livestock Market Outlook. Starting out on a Monday with futures prices trading mixed. Looking at the cattle market, we did see record or higher cash trade last week. We did see a bearish cattle on feed report issued on Friday that showed 15% more cattle placed on feed than last year at this time. That suggests there's going to be bigger cattle numbers coming to market in the last half of this year. From a technical perspective, we still have the bulls in overall command on a technical basis for the cattle market. However, there are some early technical signals still that this market has put in a top, including a bearish key reversal down on the daily bar chart last week in nearby futures contracts. Let's take a look at the hog market. Once again, mixed prices, a little profit taking on Monday. We did see record high pork prices last Friday that has put some upside pressure on cash hog prices to start the week. So the hog market bulls remain in overall technical command. However, like the cattle market, there are early technical clues that the bulls have become exhausted on the upside here in the hog market, which could mean some downside price pressure forthcoming. So we'll have to see how that goes. That's it for this week. Jim Wyckoff.